God, Mike is... Before you can even look, he's already going out. God, there's a lot of pitch in those props.
Yeah, the pitch, it's a 10 by 9 prop.
Sheesh! What size, what are the motors? What are the KV?
650.
Oh, really? I see why then, okay. That's actually good.
It's the same size as all the East Y planes, it's just a lower KV.
Okay. Taxiing out. Go. I said go, go, go. There you go.
We gotta get a parachute drop on video.
Okay, Mike, I'm taking off.
I'm gonna let you take off because I won't be able to turn.
Gear up.
Alright, I'm taking off. Go ahead.
I'm doing on the same direction. I don't know what the hell Nate's doing.
I'm gonna do a parachute drop.
Go right after me.
Parachute drop! We gotta get it on video. Ready?
Low altitude. There we go. Okay.
Alright, we got a parachute on the runway.
On the runway.
Hold on.
Jack, hold on, Jack. Jack, just leave it. Let people fly. It's okay. It's not gonna get in their way.
Come on. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Did the wind change again?
I don't know.
No. It's very cross. I can see your plane sliding.
Yeah. Cargo plane.
Left, right now.
No, it's right to left. The winds are left to right, but pattern's right to left. I got two more parachutes in
It's
here.
going to stop
I'm gonna
eventually.
drop them again. I got more.
More thermals now than anything.
Parachute dropping. There,
They come out?
Two. Don't fly in. Don't fly into them. There's some parachutes floating by. Fly into them. That'd be pretty hilarious. Yeah. None of them went past the fence, so I'm not gonna have to go very far.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Whoa, there's a mirage right there.
Right to left, right? Okay. I'm doing a pass in front of you.
Mike, there's a parachute on the far right side of the runway. Just beware. I'll step back a little bit. Get away.
Oh, that's right. I can move.
Parachute on the far side of the runway.
All right. Very nice.
Still too fast.
Yeah. You could have turned. You would have made the turn.
Okay, low pass from the right.
You got an apprentice kind of thing already.
That's all right. I see him.
No, it wasn't a good landing because you're not on the runway.
7, 6, 5,
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
The winds are kind of favoring right to left, Graham. Graham, I'd land to the right. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
This is what cargo plane's fun. It is a cargo plane. Did I hear video bombage?
Mm-hmm. I've been doing it the whole flight.
Did I hear video bombage?
Little bomb poof poof. Oh, that you're gonna drop.
Are you gonna land, Ray?
No. I will as soon as I'm clear.
I don't have any more.
All right. Do you have something to grab? Jack, go get it.
No, he's fine. I'll go get him myself. There's one on the runway and then two of them are... Well, okay.
One on the far side of the runway.
There's some all the way at the end that I'll have to go fetch him, but Mike's on the runway.
1 minute over.
I gotta come in here in a minute. Mike, are you done yet?
He's good, you're good.
Land on the closest side of the runway.
Okay, gear pass, then landing from the right. Okay, gear passed and landing from the right.
Sneaking on you here.
I'm gonna have to come in pretty fast because there's a crosswind.
You're alright. It is crazy. Damn.
Okay, landing.
Straight out of the door.
And I'm going off the end.
And let's see that. Get that rudder. Keep it going
The
straight.
hell? What, did the wind change again?
Okay.
Ah.
I'm gonna go.
If you want to take off, go ahead. I'll go around. I'll get it. It's just the nose. If something else broke, I'll deal with it. But I'll be out of your way. I'll stay out here. Landed way too fast. Hey, Guniac doesn't do it right all the time. I'm allowed a mistake sometimes. Looks like the gear's okay. Ah, it's bent back. Ugh. Might have a little work to do. Oh, that's easy. It just broke out of the mount. Easy fix. Those are good. That'll be fixed in a minute. Crosswind, dinka-donka flying.